Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, MIZORAM Education Hub. Hemi channel ahian in new ani chuan thar in ni chuan questions tam tak paper lui ka solve to a inan theboka hemi hi latest berania hemi athar bera, and today what we are going to do enge kan ti don paper 2 ka solve don mo 2021 pre exam ya MPSC MCS. Hemi channel in le subscribe on each one min subscribe nge tur. Okay, so voina reasoning po kan solve nga chuan I maths po kan solve nga arualin kan kalzela mo tlem interesting weather turin tam takan board thina, so voina tihian kan solve nga maths question po om dona. So these are the reasoning questions, and from here maths question begin. Chuan het trangen maths question 85 for trangen, so voina kan solve nga pakhatte ten kan solve nga video hi tir train top thleng in an nge turani achan chu it will be very beneficial for you. So question number 85, what is the ratio of 1:4 hemi fraction netra thil pat ka shilang jo fraction atrangin hemi concept ania enge question what is the ratio of 1:4 converted to percentage netra. So hemi concept in shia tur fraction atrangin percentage akan convert don chon eng thil nge kan tiang we will multiply the fraction by 100 in kan multiply netra. Percentage atrangin fraction kan convert don and kan convert chon enge kan tiang can divide chain. Wow, 100 in can divide chain. So hemi question ituna solve nga what is the ratio of 1:4 converted to and converted to percentage and chumi function hemi kan mangdon. So 1:4 converted to percentage and so 100 in can multiply. So 100 divided by 4 25. Me can answer tuna question number 86. Find the value of hemi thil 4 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 jan multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2 hemi chu 4 and throw 2 raised to the power 2 chu 4 and ya to athil pahat n amo x raised to the power 0 ani chuan 1 and hemi initiate nge torani 1 lakh mo nuai khat raised to the power 0 chu 1 and 1000 raised to the power 0 po 1 and 998 raised to the power 0 po 1 and chumi wangjan hemi question ni antiang kan solve 4 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 so hemi thil po initiate tur m raised to the power minus n chu angeni don 1 by m raised to the power n hemi formula is certain indices apo amapan ka explain to inline lo jon in n turani. So hemi bracket pona 4 oma 4 raised to the power 0 chu 1 and ya 4 raised to the power minus 1 chu 1 by 4 and bracket pona 4 tuna 1 plus 1 by 4 chu exact nge ni thin 1 plus 1 by 4 chu 5 by 4 and thina so hemi 4 le hemi 4 yan cancel enge bang 5 so hemi can answer tuna question number 87 hemi question hi tiang question second khata solve thai sin a answer nge ni don root 9 plus root 8 omzia chu 3 plus 2 root 2 hemi answer ni don si hima seng eng tin nga tinge aron ni ri ngot ti ha kan shia tangai pot. Okay, rationalization method in can solve trina hemitili andru denominator hemi enge irrational numbers anya tro irrational numbers anya denominator irrational numbers pani om chuan opposite sign in achunga le nwaya kan multiply trin opposite sign kan da trina mo chuan anwaya le chunga tihian kan multiply trina tihian ngade kan multiply achan chu denominator hi integer kan siam theinan entinga integer kan siam train chu hemi number hi aninkara hatan plus chu amta se hatan minus kan da train hata minus oma hata plus kan da so tuna engthilnga kan zia thei ta hian hemi a angin ngaila hemi b hemi a ni dona chon hemi b aninkara hata minus oma chon hata plus oma can multiply eng formula nge a minus b multiplied by a plus b chu a square minus b square tuna a square nge a square chu root 9 square ania chon b square nge ti chon root 8 square square la hem square root and cancel 9 square la hem square root 8 so 9 minus 8 cheng zat nge ti chon 1 ani don so hemi pum pui I hian mo waya denominator nge om don 1 om don in shathiam so enge bang 1 by 1 chu eng ma po zia ngai lawa hey root 9 plus root 8 so root 9 plus root 8 cheng zat nge root 9 chu 3 ania root 8 chu 2 root 2 ga tinga 2 root 2 root 8 nga tinga 2 root 2 ani achan chu root 80 ang tinge kan zia the 2 multiplied by 4 kan ti thei tro chon hemi 4 square root chu nge 2 ania pona kan zia kanga maseng hemi 2 hi an square root nei velo that's why tian kan dang 2 root 2 so enge kan answer 3 plus 2 root 2 option number C hemi kan answer tuna reasoning quotients yes reasoning quotients mitum ten reasoning in nuaman tiama maseng when akan ka solve chak mai me enge quotient there are 5 persons p q r s and t so persons ta han ziak lo kila p q r s le t chuan one is football player okay pahatin football khela akhel trina one is chess player pakhat chess player nia chuan one is hockey player pakhat hockey player nia P and S are unmarried ladies. Okay, P le S chunga negative kan danga kachunga thinare mi alola mei chia hi an negative mi alo nia taka chuan hemi ka denote mai mi pan ni chuan positive tila mei chia ni chuan negative du chuan mei chia po positive kan ti ma sang chumi tur chuan mi pa male kha negative kan ti nga yang atir train top thleng so kaiman negative ka daringa in video in lo dislike velenga negative ka dawangin so P le S unmarried couple anya chun do not participate in any games eng ma pon participate lo eng game ma pon khel lo eng om ziange F C le H hi tuin nge khel don Q R le T in an khel dona hemite an khel dona achan ju question an given to P le S unmarried couple anya chun game an khel ngai lo eng man participate ngai lo none of the ladies plays chess or football okay ladies in chess le football an khel ngai lo hemi chin chiaru thaden there is a married couple in which T is the husband okay T hi husband ni chuan mi pa ti na nia in shatia chuan Q is the brother of R okay Q hi R brother ania chumi wang chun mi pa ani ti kan shato tuna thil pa hria tiam tumlo P le S in pasalan nei lo mo Q mi pa ania so tahananga inzia there is a married couple in which T is the husband T hi pasal ni chuan tunge anupuya ni don hey R hi anupuya ni ang chu chumi wangjon tahian minus kanda Q is the brother of R and is engenzia neither a chess player nor hockey player omzia chu Q in enge chess le hockey a khel ngai lo enge omzia football a khel ti na lom hian mo Q in football a khel so tan kan zia kanga Q plays football kan sha to hami football Q in football khel trin question number 35 who is football player ti chuan kan answer will be option number B kan answer ni da tuna who is a hockey player tro hockey player hi uluk den chiang den anla ladies in engmon khello chess le football an khello tro automatically kan soi thei R hian hockey a khel trin that's why C kan answer ni da na tuna eng thil nge bang P le S chu engman khello tro Q in kan shato football a khela R in hockey a khela chan T in ange khelanga chess ya bang to so T can answer chess player question number 88 mean of 50 observation was found to be 80.4 ania so mean of hemi 50 multiplied by 80.4 ania tro chan thil pahat but later on it was discovered that 96 was misread as 69 ohms ya chu 96 chiar tur khania maseng chumi ai in 69 an chiar de ya an ziak de ya enge kan tiang 69 kan peyang chu chuan 96 kan erang divided by 50 also then so enge hemi solve la anwaya ten ne hemi le hemi kan cancel nga 5 multiplied by 8 04 ju 4020 trin so tan kan zia ka 4020 we line on 4020 tuna 96 atangin 69 kan page an exact ngani don 27 ne don plus 27 ne don hemi 27 hi 4020 kan h1 exact ngani don 4047 anwaya 50 o matro hemi 100 cm de la achan chu also don tu kan calculation hi 2 in achunga le anwaya kan multiply nga 7 2s are 14 2 4s are 8 ne basang pakhat 9 2 0s are 0 ne achun 2 4s are 8 divided by 100 anwaya 0 pani oma omtro so khoyange decimal kan dang 80 le 94 in kara so 80.94 hemi can answer so question number 89 here a pipe can fill a water tank in 5 hours. And yeah, due to leakage, okay, leakage and caution kind of in its bottom, the water tank fills up in 6 hours. Okay. If the water tank is full, in how much time will be emptied by the the leak? Hami chu harlol tu LCM method pon install the basic method pon install the dar kar khata 1/5 ani dona chona mi 1/5 hi 1/6 treng kan minus kan answer chu ron chuak nga 1/30 chona mi kan flip thina 30 hours ai don ba seng enge trikom drop hat AB by A minus B. AB exact nge 5 multiplied by 6 chon module 5 minus 6. 5 multiplied by 6 to 13 ya. 5 minus 1 ya modulation wang khan. Me chu initial 30 by 1 chu 30 hours. To the question number 38. Okay, blood relation ang daw ka niya. A $B tahan chiar potila, which of the following means D is definitely daughter of A? Omzia chu D ki A fanu ani nge tur tinani chu maseng eng relation ber hinge eng relation ber hinge chu me chu kan find out ang and $B hi nge omzia $B chu P is the father of Q omzia chu A plus heta B kan sia kan inshathiam chimza B hash C hi nge omzia B is the brother of C nia so tahian B is the brother of C chumi wangchon tahian B positive kan danga C tihian chon C hash D chu nge omzia C is the brother of D chumi wangchon tahian kan sia kan inshathiam hemi A tila tuna B kan solve ang hemi kan enanga ziak vek photila chumi zo ka explain ang thada enwe khat hemi hi ange kan ti train ti chon sai kan ti train PSY ang lawn mi alon yo open gangnam style di khani mi alon ya so C sai A chu ngam zia hey C is the mother of A so tahian kanzia kanga C is the mother of A minus ka dahi meichia tinania positive ka da chon mipa nami shiawla chon $D hi ngam zia A is the father of D tahian A is the father of D tahan kanzia kanga positive chimza hemi hi nge to pami E ang da hi hemi hi epsilon kan train epsilon po kan train du ti tai epsilon kan train kai chon epsilon ka don ang po chuni se so D epsilon B hi ngam zia D epsilon B chu hey D is the sister of B tahian sister ni jon negative kan danga chon of B tuna C kan ziak lenga A psi C chu ngam zia A psi C chu A is the mother of C chimza $B hi ngam zia $B chu C is the father of B chumi wangchen father of B kan zia kang B epsilon D hi nge ti chuan B is the sister of D ti chuan B is the sister of D apali na hi B psi A netro B psi A chu nge B psi A chu B is the mother of A tinania chuan $C chu A is the father of C tinania chuan C hash D chu C is the brother of D tuna kan check ang color ka thla kanga and all something nang mani pon in mutong hai D is definitely daughter of A ti chan mo D hi meichi ani nge om ju afanu ni nge ngai so in case ange heta omem A le D relation heta hana diklutuk apa ani A hi mo D pa ani maseng D hi minus le plus eng man given lo chumi wang chon hemi option hi fail chuti ang bok chon heta po hian A le D enge relation A hi father in lo shim he ju grandmother de ania chumi wang chon hemi poi fail a chen tuna heta hian A hi apa ani chiang lutuk D pa chu A ania maseng heta plus le minus om zia chu hemi poi a fail maseng hemi option anan to A in muem hey hemi le me ainangam hey D daughter ania A father chumi wangjan kan answer will be what option number B try and teach in like tunyo tuna question number 90 in a class of 30 students okay total students in zat ngeno 30 anoma 20 students like to play cricket okay chuan so tahian NC kan zia nga number of student who play cricket 20 yeah chuan 15 students like to play football so NF will be 15 chuan total exact nga ni N C union F exact nge ti chun 30. So enge thil dang. Also each student like to play at least one of the two games. Yes, or obviously hey 20 le 15 and the number of students who like to play both the games ti chuan intersection kan find out ang n c intersection f hemi kan shelo enge formula ni thin n c union f equals to n c plus n f minus n c intersection f hemi formula ni thin tro. So n c union f nge ti chuan 30 ani dona, n c exact nge ti chuan 20 nia, n f exact nge ti chuan sompanga nia, chuan n c intersection f exact nge kan shell out tro hemi beri ne kan find out tur 20 le 15 35 ania. So hemi 35 hi helama kan zia chon enge antinga kan zia the 30 minus 35 kan ti the tro equals to right hand side a minus x bang dona somthum tangin somthum pa kan pe chun exact nge ni don minus 5 ani dona minus le minus kan cancel a ta hen kan zia kang x equals to 5. So option number A he can answer. Tu na chuarin question number 91. Okay, the pie chart shows that the expenditure incurred by a publisher in bringing out a book anya lekabu pakata published dona a published tira if a book cost 500 and somli. Okay, to the publisher expenditure spent on royalty hemi om ziaberchu lekabu pakata print tira chuta binding cost ama the printing cost or binding cost or royalty or others on paper man po ma maseng kan caution here nge royalty ya exact nge paisa aseng ti chuan ati kan find out ang hemi hi andru all sum to thil phat kan shia tro hemi y hian hemi circle hi complete circle exact nge degree om trin ti chuan 360 om trin tro chuan 514 and kan equate anga de 514 and kan equate hen chu lekhabu phat man lo hemi hi. So hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancel anga kan answer ran chuak mai lamai 54 kan answer ma option number B apoilo tiang in ria thiam lo chan apoi mi alon unit method ingan shilang cheu andrew hemi ju kan ria tro 360 degree equals to zanga somli achan ju complete circle 360 degree ni trina chon a rate exact nge ti chon complete overall rate 514 ya tuna thil pa than ngai to atu zathum somrukhi kan find out turani leina kan find out tur ju 36 degree chi ania chumi wangchon 10 in lelam akan divide tihan kan cancel ma ya 36 degree ju kan mu maseng hem step hi in du lo pona poilawa tihian tiangu 1 degree kan find out potang 540 by 360 netro John 36 degree throw kan mamo chumi wanje lelam 36 kan multiply yang in shatiam. So 36 John multiplied by 1 degree to 36 degree tok der lo me 0 le 0 and cancel 36 le 36 kan cancel 54 can answer. Okay, each of these analogy quotient nimo. Okay, presumption, certainty. English in thiamang tro English in thiam John mi ju insult yang maseng kai hemi hi comment section mo nangni pon solve veula keima ringo tinami ga solve don comment section hemi hi in changang hemi question hi homework ni lo comment section in lo answer don ya coal le thermal relation ange coal kan mangthin to thermal energy produce turin power le energy ni lawa chuan a atmosphere air om trina bulb tangin light chuak trina heng hoi chu eng man ni lo maseng water kan mang trin tro hydel energy tan water kan mang trina that's why hey relation om chiang lu to coal kan manga thermal energy chan water kan manga for what hydel energy tan ami question again solve a reasoning question. Okay, contributor tan kan ziak ngamo contributor c o n t r i b u t o r chuan hemi thil po hi anwaya kan ziak turani mo anwaya an kan ziak nga r t n o c i r o t u b tuna tan relation kan find out ang en ru thil pa shia thiam tula c he ta main mu mai c he ta ma chon he ta ma o he ta ma he ta n he ta ma chon he ta t he ta ma he ta ho ju diagonal ang devin ania I chu engma kan khoidang lam lo I le I chu om na pa nga ya ama chon b le b hein muem r le r u le u o le o chon t le t chu tiang bok chon tuna prohibition po tan kan solve nga color vai khat chi akatlak lenga om chu hemi caution ha so ta hian P R O H I B I T I O N jirang ka sai tro mida nge om P R O H I I T I O N chumi wangchen B hi amida oma so ta hian B chu engma kan khoidang lam don lowa ma seng P heta om de don P R heta om de don R O heta H heta I heta so hemi option am I H O R P B I H O R P B om lowa I H O R P B in huam ma seng in la o chuang lo chuan N O I T I poi check lo loila ta hian mo hey N ta hian om dona O ta hian om dona I ta hian om dona T heta om dona chun I to pa om don so in huam can answer to option number A. Okay, so question number 92. If A minus 2 and 3A are in the AP arithmetic progression, then find the value of A. Okay, tiang ko value pathuman given tro enge gan tiang difference of terms of first and second. So tiang bok chon difference of terms of 2 and 3 abak eng ma kan tingai to lo. So enge difference A minus 2 atrangin A kan minus anga. So tiang bok chon 3A atrangin achan chu difference kan find out anga ya. So hemi A le hemi A kan cancel minus 2 equals to 3A atrangin A pakhat kan pe ya 2A. Chon hemi minus le hemi minus 2 kan multiply chon plus 2 ania. So hemi plus 2 heta kan transfer chon enge ani don minus 2 ani don. So minus 2 le minus 2 engzat nge ni trin minus 4 ani don. Minus 4 hi tu na true in kan divide de nga engzat nge minus 3 kan answer option number B. Tuna question number 93. 93 can solve dona 1/5 of a number. Okay, number ungiven lawa chumi wangchun cancel law x can assume 1/5 enge omzia 1/5 chu 1/5 tinan multiplied by a number of a number and decreased by 4 mi minus kan 4 kan minus anga chan chu decrease by 4 ne is equals to 3 and how taka mi and x by 5 ania mi tian x by 5 tuna LCM tihian 5 equals to 3 hemi ne kan multiply nga tihian hemi le hemi kan multiply nga tihian hemi minus 20 da chuan enge tihian chuan hemi kan belanga 35 tihian kan answer on chuaga tihian ante kan tik don tihian so tihian kan answer on chuaga question number 42 if the series 4 5 hemi ziak photila tahian 4 5 8 13 14 17 late 22 okay is continued in the same pattern. Okay, continue charchar dona chuan which of the following is not a term of this series. Okay, amzia perchu kan check photang difference 1 ania 3 ania 5 tro heta again 1 3 5 in huam tian pattern 135 135 135 135 ani dona tiang bok chon ta hian 1 kan add anga 143 in nang mani thuin in ti velang 143 so ta hian 23 ni dona chon 3 kan add lenga 26 5 kan add anga 31 in shatiam tiang bok chon pakhat kan add lenga 32 pathum kan add anga 35 panga kan add anga 38 in shatiam nei so anga kan question we ka chiar thaleila which of the following is not a term of this series so 31 mm yes say omalom 32 mm yes om chiang tuk 35 mm yes hey om chiang tuk 35 po masing 33 in mulo tro that's why C can answer tuna hemi question yan to hemi question a hian hemi triangle hi focus ulama hay chung barami hemi triangle hi figure 1 a heta oma figure 2 a heta oma figure 3 a heta oma figure 4 a heta oma omzia in shetia omzia chu hemi hian side of this square a khoi char tina ni chu po anti-clockwise mo tihian anti-clockwise direction a so ma sabera heta oma chimza heta oma chimza heta hian oma chimza heta oma tro tuntum khoyange omang heta hian omdon omzia chu hein muam hei heta hian omdon hei heta hian so enge kan answer ni don hemi le a le b hi chu kan cancel thei mo kan eliminate thei c le d ya kan answer ron chok don ma seng tu na hemi star hi kan check lenga enru uluk den heta om phota chimza heta a oma chimza heta a oma chimza heta a oma tunrum khoyang e omang heta initiatiam heta hian a om don so hemi kan answer in ma option number C. Question number 94. A man got 10% increase in his salary. Kan shalaw. Oh, salary kan shalawa. Hemi salary ahian 10% an increase. So tahian 10% kan increase nga ngzat nge zale so. Increase nuwa ngzat money day 94160. So 94160. Hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancel nga hemi 10 heta kanda son kanda chaude nga enge bang don 11x. 11x. So x equals to 941600 divided by 11. Tuna 9416 11 in can divide 9416 divided by 11 8 times exact 8 and yeah 616 5 times then 56 times you 616 so 856 then can 856 jan atopa 0 pani option 856 topa 0 pani talk there lam to the chuan question number 95 here. Hey, cost of 20 table exact nge sing nile sanga number of table which can be purchased for rupees 45,000 exact nge ni don so cancel outra exact nge can purchase te don equals to 45,000 hemi ratio and proportion method pon tian all sum then can solve te ti hian initiatiam 0 kan cancel achun hemi 5 in kan cancel 5 5s are hemi 5 9s are so 5 by 9 abang tro halama 5 by 9 hemi 5 le hemi 24 in kan cancel chen hemi 9 le hemi 4 36 initiatiam option number B is our answer maseng tihian in solve thelo chen antinan caution hola caution hol ga the exam hola ratio and proportion method in thiam lo chen enge in tiang hey 25,000 in 20 tables kan le thai cheng khatin 20 by 25,000 kan le thai enge kan answer enge kan caution 45 in exact nge kan le tiang 45,000 in exact nge le lam 45,000 kan multiply nga ti hian 20 by 25,000 anwai mi 0 pathum le chunga mi 0 pathum kan pe bau de yang mo chuan enge bang don 25 hemi 45 hi 5 in can cancel 9 time hemi 25 hi 5 in can cancel 5 time hemi 25 in can cancel 4 time tuna 9 le 4 can multiply jun 36 can answer. Question number 96 here. A motorcycle is traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour near objective speed and given 36 km per hour. Distance covered in distance covered in 1 second mo hafan hami ai haukala shalo mo tun avoino mi paper achan ngitola kilometer per hour atangin meter per second can convert don initiatia mem and thing can convert in ka 36 multiplied by 5 by 18 meter per second how 36 by 18 2 ania so nge omzia chu 2 multiplied by 5 chu exact nge 10 so can find out time second khata meter exact nge 10 meter option number A. To na chuan question number 97 you can solve dona the distance traveled by wheel with radius 3.5 okay wheel pakhata oma ti hian chu voice som ni lai enge alir don di a revolution dona voi khata revolution chuan exact nge distance a cover chin a circumference a cover chin 1 revolution so hemi exact nge ni don 2 multiplied by pi chu 22 by 7 ne chon r exact nge 3.5 point hi pe ila noya 0 om 3 na tro so 35 hi 7 in cancel ila 5 time hemi 5 hi 2 in cancel ila 10 hi 2 times chon 2 le hemi hi kan cancel a enge bang 22 chi abang so enge kan shria tiam 1 revolution 22 feet alira mo a distance cover so 20 revolution exact nge cover don teacher 20 multiplied by 22 feet chu zalile somli we can answer option number D. To now question number 98 here and do the ratio of the ages of man and his son man le son an age ratio chu exact nge 7 by 2 anya ratio and proportion a ratio anya chumi wangjun x in can multiply the after 5 years omzia nge 2 na train kum nga nuwa mo chumi wangjun kan plus anga the ages will be 8 by 3 so an a jeng zat nge ni de don 8 by 3 ni don tuna cross multiply 3 7x are 21x ania plus 3 5s are 15 ania equals to 2 8s are 2x 8s are 16x ania plus 5 8s are 40 talk there lom tuna have 16x 21 ai na te ya chumi wangjan hela kan transfer 21x train 16x page 5x ania thro the ambok 15 hi hela kan transfer de inga 40 train 15 kan page exact nge ni don 25 so 25 ania so 5x equals to 25 ani chon x equals to exact nge ni don 5 nishatiam so x equals to 5 we can answer lonia hemi value hi heta kan da de yang hemi 7x achan chu hemi takinia kan present age of man so 7 multiplied by x chu exact nge 7 multiplied by 5 chu 35 hemi kan answer tunami question and solving question number 99 okay the respective ratio of number of student appeared in college a appeared anti tro omje chu adum zo khi an turania chon college a hi ange hemi hinia exact nge nom zasari so 700 kan zia kang chon thildang to the number of student appeared in college C hemi college ahian college C ahian adum zo ka hian kan enanga 500 so anwaya 500 kan zia kang 0 pani le 0 pani gone 7 by 5 kan answer option 7 by 5 option number A Tuna chuanin the average number of student passed in all the college together okay average number of student passed in all the college to all colleges together in each one and find can add patang tahian ga clear patanga and passed dan ti tro tun trum chumi wangjan awarzo ki kan entong warzo ki pass tinania so ma sabera jon 450 ani in muam hei college A atan for college A 450 chumi zwa B atan zathum somnga okay zathum somnga chuan C atan zali okay zali chuan D atan 250 yes average exact nge pali anuma divided by 4 kan belang 0 0 0 le 0 chu 0 nia panga le 0 panga le panga som le panga chu som panga ania 1 carry pani le pali paruk le pathum pakwa le pali som pathum le pakhat som pali divided by 4 to dalom 1450 hi atuna 4 in kan divide anga 4 3s are 12 anetro 250 nimshathiam chuan 6 in kan divide le 240 10 abanga 2 in kan divide 8 so 2 heta point kan da 0 heta 5 kan da nga chun 20 nimshathiam so 362.5 option omem 362.5 option number D hemi kan answer hemi mo kan answer okay tuna question number 44 he can solve which one of the following is different from others different can find out idea ai alang chiang tu mitam tak chun D hi han sol don D hi ni angan ti don wasengan mi alo ni D hi answer ni lo mitam ta tian ngai tuanga heta square oma heta post square oma heta circle oma heta post circle oma heta square oma heta post square oma chu tiang box chun heta triangle om chun heta post triangle om ngai no chumi chu ani lo answer tur chu symmetricity kan enang ta hian symmetricity kan enang symmetricity in shiam enge omzia chu A le A mo dartla langai anila symmetric chain in shathiam U kan dartla langa U po U an chain in S chuang ani chain ti hian ani daizel hemi chu symmetry in lo asymmetry kan ya that's why tahian kan chekang hemi symmetricity a follow lo achan chu hemi line a hian achunga tlema anwaya tam in shathiam tiam bok chon heta po hian hemi line ania achunga tama anwaya tlem tiam bok chon hemi symmetry kan chiang lu tuk ma seng enge a diagram ainang lo achunga triangle oma noya circle om chen B hi anan tau B chu exactly mo absolute lu that's why can answer be B ni don now question number 45 if brown is coded as 218152314 okay brown ta hian ziak photila BROWN chuan hemi nen hian relation kan zong ta hian 2314 and then kai chuan hindi in trick pakhat ka shriama ज्योति मैचिया pakhat oma ए ज्योति कहाँ जा रही है मो ए ज्योति को आगे कलदोन कहाँ जा रही हो तुम कंद ट्रेना तो त्यामोक चन ए ज्योति मो ए ही अंगे नंबर 5 आर्म ट्रेन जे ही 10 आर्म ट्रेन ओ ही 15 आर्म ट्रेन टी ही 20 am trin y hi 25 a placement ina chu alphabetic mo a1 ania b2 ania chu chumi chu kaziak so kan check ang b hi 2 ania adik yes satisfy r18 ani trin 8 number 18 a r am trin adika number 15 a o am trin number 23 a w am trin number 14 a n am trin chu tiang bok chon ping po hi placement tan kan ziak nga o zawa p ania om zia chu 15 hemi 15 zawa pakhat kan p aronom dona chu wang pakhat kan belang 16 ani don hemi 16 hi in move le I in solve lenga engzat nge I ni trin 9 ani trin n engzat nge ni trin de chon 14 ani trin k engzat nge ni trin 11 ani trin so 1691411 omem hey option number b hi 1691411 we can answer tuna question number a question number 46 tia hi tun thleng video in ana mo in en reilu tuk ka video chumi wangchon chada metric pahat ka silang chomi dang shil oi mi alonia mi dang shil chi ni mi alonia metric mo ka silang cho enru hemi question hi tahan kan zia kang dash a b a b then dash a b dash a b dash b b a hemi kan chiar train mo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 okay 16 omatro divisible by 4 aniam anitro amo divisible by 8 aniam anitro chumi wangchon case kan siamang tuna 4 le 8 case kan siamang kan check photanga 4 group kan siamanga 4 group kan siama atopa b oma topa a oma topa b oma topa a oma chalo atopa mi join anglo phot chumi wangchon 4 hi cancel rila tuna group siamila group of 8 tok mo engma po enangai talo initiatiam tong hey atopa a oma ta po topa a om hata topa b oma enge om nge ngai b om nge ngai hein mem b le b in mem hata dash oma enge om ngai a om ngai hey oh second part le first part kan compare nga chu zong chu ni to mai hata b oma hey b om hata a oma hey a om hata dash om chon enge kan dang hemi a hi kan dang oh hey a hata b oma hata nge om don b nin shetiam so nge kan answer ni don hey b b a a so option number c can answer okay to be continued anymore video say down tuka next video again mule chonga part tang ne maseng I hemi video share rula in trian tabula po share rula kashelu tuk in share download ti po mo tu man kan du lo kan I sang in mi thleng se kan du lawa maseng ke matan okay pelawa tikhan lo en zelula video in lo like don ya thank you